So at this point, there's absolutely no doubt that we are in the AI gold rush right now today, and there's never been a better and bigger opportunity for the average person watching this to start playing in this space as a solo entrepreneur and actually having a shot at going and building themselves a monstrous online business. Whether you want a side hustle that's going to be making you a couple of extra $1,000 per week, or if you wanted to go and make yourself hundreds and thousands of dollars per year or even month, leveraging the AI gold rush, that is well possible for anybody watching this video. And if you want to be honest, in a short period of time. The issue for about 99% of people watching this is that you don't necessarily have an exact AI business model that you could start right now today, actually have the actionable steps needed in order to go and scale it past not just 1K, but 5K, but 10K per month in the next couple of months from now. And then of course have the option to scale past more numbers as time goes on. But I personally have been selling AI solutions to business owners all across the country over the past couple of years. I already know some of the best AI solutions and services that you can actually offer to business owners. And I have the real life blueprint to actually showing people how to start making money, getting clients, getting users. And I have taught dozens, if not hundreds of people how to actually start and execute specific AI business models as well in my 100% free course. If you want to go take a look at that in the description. But this video, I'm going to be showing you by far one of the most profitable business models overall that anybody could start using AI, a business model called white label AI software. I know that there is a good amount of information out there on social media, but this business model right here, especially this AI business model right here, is something that I'm sure you have never seen before. And if you actually watch this video, you do see the value in it and you actually decide to start and execute this business model, it can 100% change your finances for the rest of your life. I'm going to show you how you can actually start selling AI products as your very own instead of selling AI services to business owners. So let's just dive right into it. I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like. So now, first off, when it comes to AI, just in general, the overall landscape of AI and where the money is actually made, all of the money is in the AI softwares. Softwares literally run our world today. You see, if you don't know, software is just anything that's created through code. So every single app on your phone, every single website you click on is essentially just software. But there was never anything technically, or at least available to the public, in terms of any AI softwares. You see, the very first AI software came out in 2022, known as ChatGPT. Obviously, that was the very first AI software solution that we actually had in the business world. And then, you saw other software such as maybe Zoom Communications or Shopify or Canva, video editing softwares, whatever the case may be. They all started to integrate some AIs inside of their software, but specifically just softwares that do AI solutions and AI shit. ChatGPT was a single man standing, but now that we're in 2025, there's been way more AI softwares that came out, thousands and thousands of AI software products that people have actually built out, became owners of companies with, started selling to the market that solved the problem and actually started making more money off of it with all of the natural laws of business because the value is actually there, obviously, when it comes to AI. So that was 2022, but now that we're in 2025, this has now went from a $138 billion market size to now a $257 billion market size. So this is almost double just in the past 2 or 3 years. But obviously AI is not slowing down whatsoever. By the year of 2032, AI software products are going to hit over $1 trillion over the next 10 plus years. So now the question is, how can you actually get your piece of the pie of this space? How can you actually become an entrepreneur and start your very own online business, leveraging the landscape of AI software? Well, you would used to have to either know how to code yourself or pay a software engineer. But obviously with white label AI, that is no longer the case for people like me and you. I'm actually going to show you how you can start your very own AI software product that solves a problem in the business world, an AI solution. Again, without you having to be any bit tech savvy, write a single line of code. What you can actually do is you can take this pre-built AI software product called High Level. This is the company I promote. They are actually now one of the fastest growing software companies in the entire world. And the reason why is because they actually have a marketplace full of pre-built software and AI software features, tools, and solutions and products. But as you can see here, you can actually white label their AI software, which just means upload your very own branding, colors, business name, logo, etc. And then you can actually resell your very own AI products online as soon as tomorrow. So now, of course, I get it. How is that even possible? That sounds way too unbelievable to actually be true. What type of AI software products can I actually sell? How can I own my very own AI software today, right? Well, keep watching this video and I will show you high level some of their software solutions. They're all designed to help business owners assist in their marketing and sales processes. Marketing and sales is the lifeblood of every single business, no matter what industry or niche. There's only two types of businesses that anybody can start: a product or a service-based business. So what type of product or AI services can you actually sell, and what does that look like? Those questions will be answered. You'll see what that looks like visually. I'm going to show you how to do it just in a second here. So some of the AI software solutions they have are AI agents. This is the most common word term whenever you enter the AI space and you start to learn how to make money online with AI. AI agents' main value are going to be to assist in the digital marketing and sales process. And overall, that means get more customers, drive more revenue. But there's so many cool niches and avenues that people can leverage in terms of AI softwares and tools to actually be beneficial and increase conversion rates online. So this is all social media pages: Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. If it's a brick and mortar business, typically they care about local SEO. So how they rank in Google's search engine when people type in restaurant near me, especially when it comes to the world of paid advertisements and web pages and all those types of things. So inside of high level software, in which I'll show you in a second, of course, they actually have these AI agents to help business owners answer phone calls and text messages using AI, and AI chatbots to automatically follow up with leads, and AI SEO to help them rank higher. These cool things you can actually do through high level software. I'm going to show you what this looks like and how you can actually own your very own AI software that does that through white labeling high level. I know that's something you've never heard before, but if you actually do your research, you'll see that there's been thousands of entrepreneurs who have scaled not only 10K, but 100K per month online businesses doing exactly what I'm telling you right now. So let's see what that looks like. So here is my high level dashboard, and I'm going to go and click on this AI agent tab right here. This AI agent tab inside of high level software, you see their logo right here as well. This is where you can actually go to their software the same way you do any other software, right? Whatever software where you just go and you see tabs on the left, top or right hand side, this is no different. This is just how this software works. So you can actually come into high level software and set up these voice AI agents to help business owners actually go and answer phone calls using AI, cater to their specific business. So I'm not saying that this is something that is like designed to replace employees, but a lot of business owners, they are the ones like on their websites and their Google My Business page, it's their business phone number, their personal phone number. So now you can actually exit business owners from having to work on their business and have AI automate this task. A whole bunch of other cool things you can do with this. You can replace customer support staffs with these AI chatbots as well. But basically, you can come in here and set up these AI bots very easily. All you would have to do is go ahead and put in your information or the business owner's information if you were doing it for somebody else, and you can easily have these bots ready, live, and active to go and sell. So this is software at its finest. This is some of the most profitable AI software solutions that entrepreneurs like myself have sold to business owners, just finding other softwares, not just high level, but other softwares that can actually set these bots up for people, build the skill set of setting these bots up, and then you go and sell them to businesses, right? And this is only one of the AI software products inside of high level. High level basically has a little army of AI software products and features and solutions that could be of benefit to business owners. People can actually create content using AI through high level software, get more Google reviews, or even build websites and paid advertisement pages using AI. You see, high level software is something called white label. So instead of selling these or using these AI software solutions as services to help business owners or help your business or, help you use AI content creation, for example, whatever the case may be, you can actually white label high level software, which just means upload your very own business name, logo, branding, and domain name. Like literally go to Canva like this, look at some of Canva tech logos, purchase a domain name for your software like this for $12. And now you can actually change all of the colors, change the business name and logo right here. As you can see, it says AI, whatever you want to name your software as, and it can say app.yoursoftware.com up here. Go and take off the tabs for the features that you don't want to sell and just keep those AI features that you do want to sell, package them up however you want to, and then you actually own this software that people can go to, access, and then set up those AI agents, create content using AI. So you may have seen some of these softwares out on social media before, but believe it or not, I'm actually showing you how you can be those AI softwares and just get users going to your website and signing up for your software. Let me quickly show you what that looks like as well. So you can actually use a website template like this around what your software actually does. So you have a domain name for your website. It's best softwareintheworld.com. As soon as you actually set up your high level account and white label them, people will be able to go to your website that looks like this, press login, create an account, get a 14-day free trial or not, however you want to structure your AI software business, the same exact way that all of those other companies do, the same way people go from website to users on the software, paying them monthly subscriptions like these, $99, $199, $299. I have softwares where I'm charging literally $800-900 on a monthly subscription for some of my AI lead generation softwares that I've started over the last couple of years. So this is how you can actually start separating your time from making money. Like, this is one of the most passive business models out there. The more users you get, all you have to do is learn digital marketing, learn the cold emails, the text messages, the paid advertisements to promote your software. And you can start getting not only 10 people, but 50, 100, 2, 3, 4, 500 people using your software. And if you actually add the numbers up, 500 users on just this basic plan right here, that's over $50,000 per month that you could be making in subscription-based income coming back to you like clockwork. Whether or not you sell anything the next month or even choose to work, you're still going to have that number coming back as long as you keep your users and continue to grow. And there is a proven blueprint to actually do this, to promote your software, get users, etc. And I go through every single last one of these outreach methods in my 100% free course. This right here is actually everything you need to know to go from watching this video to having every bit of knowledge you need to actually start and execute this business model, reselling high level software as fast as possible. I've already had thousands of guys and girls actually sign into this course, learn the videos, learn the material, get on calls with me. I'm actually here. I help people all day, every day, executing this business model as soon as possible. So that is what this looks like. Obviously, there's more steps to it, but that is exactly how you can actually be selling AI software, a way to make money online that very, very few people actually know about. You can actually take advantage of. Tens and thousands of other entrepreneurs are actually learning and adapting to high level every single day as we speak. So getting into this now, starting your very own software business so that you can start generating this subscription-based income is a great way to change your finances for the rest of your life. And AI is one of the hottest topics, one of the hottest industries that you can actually start this business in, which just makes it make a lot of sense to a lot of people watching this video. So if you do want to get started, I'll make it very easy to bridge that gap from zero to truly making your first $10,000 with this. And when you do, you'll also get access to high level completely for free in the first video. If you click inside of it, this will be a free trial to high level software. You'll be able to go ahead and get access to it and potentially make your first dollar before you have to spend anything, because all you have to do is pay high level as little as $97 or $297 per month to actually be able to white label and resell their software. And you can sell it an infinite number of times and keep 100% of the profits. And that is why when I discovered this, I dedicated my entire life to it and making money with it. And that's why I'm out here teaching it years later. So hopefully you found that valuable, if not interesting. As always, feel free to like and subscribe and connect with me as well. But other than that, hopefully I will see you in the next one.